Hello guys, welcome. Today we will learn how to design CAM in Fusion 360. For example, here CAM profile is taken, radius of CAM is 10 mm, maximum travel of follower is 8 mm, profile is divided in 10-degree difference, between 0 to 90-degree follower will rise and lower, in every 10-degree follower will move 2 degree, 90 to 360-degree follower will stay on its position. First of all, go to Sketch. Now, draw the circle of CAM diameter 20 mm. Draw line with one endpoint on origin and give length 10 mm and angle 0 degree. From Specification, click on Construction, so, line will be creating Construct View. Now draw lines from origin, give length 12 mm and 10 degree, as per profile. Draw other lines same way, take length and its proportional degree. Delete dimensions for clear view. Now select Fit Point Spline, select Profile Path. And press Enter. Now, click Finish the sketch. Select the area of circle and profile. Extrude it for 5 mm. Click OK. Select the corner and give fillet for nice profile. In bottom you can see the timeline. Right-click on Sketch, select Edit Sketch. Draw circle of 5 mm. Now follow the sketch steps to make 1 mm keyway. Click on Finish Sketch. Go to Timeline, right-click on Extrude and click on Edit Feature. Deselect the shaft and keyway area. Click OK. Your CAM is ready. Thank you for watching video. I hope you learned something new. If you like it, hit the like button. Subscribe the channel for more updates. Knowledge is key to success. See you next time with new video.